Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're okay. Okay kids, so today we have another English lesson and also today we start the unit 2 and it is called Helping at Home. Muy bien niños y niñas, el día de hoy empezaremos la unidad 2, unit 2 y se titula Helping at Home. Okay kids, the first lesson is a telephone conversation. Muy bien, la primera lección de la unidad 2 se llama A Telephone Conversation. So, are you ready? Okay, first of all, we're gonna listen a telephone conversation. So, please pay attention and listen carefully. Okay, vamos a escuchar la conversación por teléfono entre dos personas. So, please pay attention. Por favor, presta atención and listen carefully.
Hi Matthew, this is Erica. Are you busy?
Hi, Erica. Yes, I am. I'm really busy.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the apartment.
Okay, kids, so now I have a question for you. And my question is, what was the main topic of this conversation? Y mi pregunta es, ¿cuál fue el tema principal de esta conversación? Okay, kids, great answer. So right now, I'm going to explain you this part of the conversation that I really think it is important. So Erica asked to Matthew, what are you doing? What are you doing? And he answered to her, I am cleaning the apartment. I am cleaning the apartment. Ok, Erika le preguntó a Matthew, what are you doing? What are you doing means in Spanish, ¿qué estás haciendo? And he answered, y él respondió, I am cleaning the apartment. I am cleaning the apartment. Yo estoy limpiando el apartamento. Okay, kids, so now we are ready to practice this conversation in the class, ¿ok? Muy bien, niños y niñas, ahora que ya hemos escuchado la conversación, hemos despejado las dudas de la conversación y sabemos el tema principal, vamos a practicar esta conversación en clase. Okay, kids, so now we are gonna learn new words, new vocabulary related to cleaning supplies. Ok, kids, muy bien, vamos a aprender nuevas palabras y un nuevo vocabulario relacionado a los objetos de limpieza, cleaning supplies. Are you ready? Okay, kids, and as you can see in this picture, this object is called vacuum cleaner. Muy bien, y como ven en la imagen, este objeto es llamado en inglés vacuum cleaner. So please repeat after me, vacuum cleaner. Perfect. Okay, kids, and as you can see in the picture, this space is called laundry. Muy bien, y como ven en la imagen, el espacio es llamado laundry. Okay, so please repeat after me, laundry. Perfect, very good. Okay, kids, as you can see in the picture, this object is called detergent. So please repeat after me, detergent. Perfect. Okay, kids, so now we have this object and it is called dustpan. So please repeat after me, dustpan. Perfect. Okay, kids, so now we have this new object and it is called ironing board. So please repeat after me, ironing board. Perfect, very good. Okay, kids, and now, as you can see in the picture, these objects are called clothespins. So please repeat after me, clothespins. Perfect. Okay, kids, and now The subject is called iron. So please repeat after me. Iron.
Perfect, very good.
Okay, kids, and as you can see in this picture, this object is called washing machine. So please repeat after me. Washing machine.
Perfect, very good.
Okay, kids, and as you can see in this picture, this object is called bucket. So please repeat after me. Bucket.
Perfect, very good.
Okay, kids, as you can see in this picture, this object is called map. So please repeat after me. Map.
Perfect, very good.
We're gonna review the vocabulary that we learned today. Muy bien, vamos a repasar el vocabulario que hemos aprendido el día de hoy. So please repeat after me. Vacuum cleaner, laundry, detergent, dustpan, ironing board, clothespins, iron, washing machine, bucket, mop.
Perfect, very good.
Okay, dear students, so now we're gonna listen a conversation. Muy bien, ahora vamos a escuchar una conversación. So please pay attention, presta atención and listen carefully. Escucha cuidadosamente. Okay, kids, so now I have a question for you. And my question is, what was the main topic of this conversation? Mi pregunta es, ¿cuál fue el tema principal de esta conversación? Okay, perfect. Great answers. Okay, thank you. Muy bien, muy buenas respuestas. So now we are going to practice this conversation in the class. Muy bien, ahora vamos a practicar esta conversación en la clase. Okay, kids, so today we learn new expressions that we need to review. Okay, el día de hoy hemos aprendido nuevas expresiones y nuevas frases y vamos a repasarlas un poquito. So please listen and then repeat. Primero escucha y luego repite. This is Erica. Are you busy? What are you doing? I'm cleaning. Sure, no problem. Thank you. Okay, kids, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the class and see you the next time. Goodbye. Take care.